Hey everyone, Vincent here from Yamaha Motor Canada, back again for another Helpful Moments. Today we're here at the boat launch and we're going to talk a little bit about boat launch etiquette. Heading out onto the water can be one of the most relaxing or exciting ways to spend time with your family and friends. But I'm sure everyone who's launched a boat before knows actually getting the boat in the water can be incredibly stressful, if not downright embarrassing. I've got a few stories of my own and I'd rather keep them to myself. So let's get at it and go through some simple procedures that will help you launch the boat or your WaveRunner and get out onto the water. But before we do any of that, make sure your fuel tank is full. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're confident that you can back up and pull your trailer without any issues. The Toyota Tacoma offers plenty of power from its standard V6 engine, and all Tacomas come with four-wheel drive to help get your boat in and out of the water with ease. It also has up to 6,500 pounds of towing capacity, making it a great choice the next time you need to tow. When you arrive to the boat launch staging area, load any necessities you might have for the day. This includes coolers, your safety equipment, or any other items you might be bringing along. Finally, add fenders and dock lines that you'll use to tie up to the courtesy dock. Now, make sure their cutoff lanyards and keys are in place, and don't forget to double and maybe even triple check your plug. Remember, this prep work is never done at the ramp itself. Now that the boat is ready, you can head to the ramp. A general rule of thumb is if the trailer fenders are barely submerged, you're fine to launch. Put the truck in park and make sure the emergency brake is on. Remove the bow strap. Now your friend can start the boat and ride it off the trailer and park it at the courtesy dock or any other location where you will not be blocking any others from launching or recovering their boat. You can then go park your truck away from the ramp so others can use it while you're getting back to your watercraft. Use the same procedure in reverse for loading the boat onto the trailer. Tie down your boat at the dock and quickly retrieve your truck. Quickly center your watercraft and load it onto the trailer. You can now tow it out and leave the space for others. Remember to hitch your bow strap and tie down your transom straps. Remove the fenders and any other personal belongings and prepare for trailering. Drain, remove ignition keys or lanyard, and install covers. Finally, do a circle check of the trailer to make sure all is well before you hit the road. Lights, tires, and hitch safely secured. Just remember to be mindful of others waiting for the ramp. It's important to be quick and confident with the process and to leave ample space for anyone else waiting. So there you have it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful moments. We're looking forward to seeing you out on the water.